White wall tyres, what do we think? Yes, no, on a motorbike? Are they just for cars? I don't know. I mean, I've been back and forth since I got my Rebel a few months ago, whether I should do it or not. My ass is full of splinters from being on the fence for that long. Plus, I think one of the main reasons I haven't gone ahead yet is because the current tyres I've got, I've done less than 1,000 miles, and they're virtually new and nicely scrubbed in. Something else though I've always liked is the old like drag races or street cars with the painted letters on the side of the tires. I always thought it was quite appealing. So I thought, let's give it a go. So here I am. I've got my white acrylic pen I bought from Amazon. I've gone over the letters twice. So effectively today I've written Dunlop 8 times on these tires. Now, it was quite difficult to get into the grooves of the letters, so it hasn't come out quite as crisp as I wanted. But I think it does look better than just being black. I don't know. Let me know. On the finished pictures here, I've also painted the Dunlop logo, so they stand out just a little bit more. Now, if you're going to do it, I would suggest you get a thinner pen than what I used, just to get into the groove, just to bring it out that little bit more. But I don't know how long it's going to last, but we are due rain later, so I will let you know. Look, let me know what you think. Drop me a comment. Please like, please subscribe. I am a new channel. Having subscribers will encourage me to make more content. As always, ride safe. Speak soon.